Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I will start with the fastest way to actually turn on or off this mode, and after that I'll show you how to customize it. So in order to turn on the eye comfort, we have to unroll the top bar here from the right side, because remember, from the left side you will open the notifications. So from the right side, and here we have to find the proper icon, which is here, reading mode. So simply tap on it, and I'm not really sure if you can see the difference, but trust me, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at dim light. So you can also turn it off just by tapping on it. So now let me show you how to customize it, because I hope that we can increase the intensity of the feature. We can tap on this icon and hold it, and we will be transferred to the options. However, I'd like to show you the full path of entering the reading mode. So let's enter the settings. Here, let's scroll down to the display and find the reading mode. Just tap on it. We have to turn it on right here, and as you can see, probably here you can see better the color changes. And here we can customize it. So we've got two different modes from which we can choose. We've got the paper one and the classic. Basically, the only difference is the texture which is applied to the background in the paper mode. So it looks like a paper. It is a little bit sharp, I would say. Let's start with the classic one. Let's enter, and as you can see, we've got the preview on which we will be able to check how this mode affects the color. We've got the color temperature switcher. By going to the left, we can set it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So right now it is more visible. The same situation with the paper. After applying it, I'm not really sure if you can see the difference in the texture, but trust me, there is. Let's enter it in order to customize. And here the same situation with the color temperature switcher, up to you. And here we've got also the texture. By going to the right, we can make it much sharper. I'm pretty sure that you can right now see the difference. You can see this background texture. Of course, you can set it just like you want to. Here we've got also the colors. You can pick full colors, which is right now applied, which simply means that we've got this yellow shield, but the colors are still visible. We've got light colors, which simply means that everything, each color will be a little bit dull and kind of washed out. So if you like this effect, you can always set it. And we've got black and white, so everything will be displayed in monochromatic colors. Up to you. I think I prefer full colors. So this is the customization of the look of the reading mode. Here we can schedule it also. We've got two different options. We can custom the period, so freely pick the start and the end time, or set good night's read, which simply means that your device will turn on and off the reading mode on sunset and sunrises, and it will also automatically decide when they appear, when they are. I believe it is location based. Up to you. However, I prefer this kind of manual option, so you have to turn it on and off manually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.